In most animals, including us, many vital organs just aren't great at repairing themselves. The problem is that mature cells in these organs usually can't bounce back. Many don't survive the damage, and the ones that do often can't renew themselves or transform into the types of cells needed to replace what was lost. Even the cells that can self-renew are limited in number, lose efficiency over time, and become more fragile as we age. Younger cells, on the other hand, like those from embryos or infants, are a completely different story. They're cellularly young, meaning they're better at handling stress, healing, and regenerating tissues. That's why scientists have long dreamed of finding ways to turn back the clock inside our cells, restoring them from an older, worn-down state to something more youthful and resilient. Such an approach could help treat injuries, fight disease, and even slow or reverse aging across entire organisms. Harvard University has taken a major step in that direction. They filed a patent for methods, compositions, and kits designed to rejuvenate cells by tackling the root causes of cellular aging. Their approach uses a pharmaceutical composition that delivers specific genetic factors. In simple terms, the idea is to reset the cell's epigenetic memory, regaining a youthful state and a renewed ability to repair and regenerate. Well, shut up and take my money. Let's say you are a Harvard and needs to protect this patent abroad, in Brazil, Argentina, Mexico, Italy, or France. In that case, translation comes in handy. When you're dealing with patents, every single word matters. A small mistake can change the meaning of an invention, and that's why you need experts. Imagine that, due to an error in the translation of a reverse-aging patent, you become the next Benjamin Button. That would be a little cringe, right? Professional translations literally help avoid being a Netflix character for the wrong reasons, and surely help when you need the translation of legal documents involved in any industry that may affect your quality of life. At Translateams, we specialize in patent translations. That's our bread and butter. We use top-tier tools like Trados Studio, which helps us keep terminology consistent and ensure accuracy across every page. That means your patent isn't just translated, it's protected, precise, and ready to stand up anywhere in the world. And here's the best part. We make it professional, affordable, and quick. No headaches, no delays, just translations you can trust.